Where do you have to go?
I have to go to the Bombay Bungalow restaurant.
Okay.
How long will it take to reach?
Mom, it will take 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
Hi, can I help you?
At table for one, please.
We are fully booked at the movement. Could you wait for 10 minutes?
Okay.
Can I get your name?
Anna Prince.
Miss Anna, your table is ready. Please come this way.
Okay. Can you make sure it's a quiet table?
Okay, ma'am, sure. Are you ready to order now?
Yes, what is idli exactly?
Idli is a steamed cake of rice.
Is this served with gravy?
Yes. It is served with sambar.
Does it have meat in it?
No, ma'am.
Is it too spicy? What else do you recommend?
Our dal makhni and harahi gosht is very popular.
Okay, well, take one dal makhni and one plate of biryani and salad.
I am sorry, but biryani is not available right now.
In that case, can we have malai kofta?
Yes, ma'am. What would you like to have in bread?
Make it. One butter naan and one garlic naan.
Anything to drink?
I will have a glass of Pepsi. Can you start with the drink, please?
Okay, your food will be served in 10 to 15 minutes. I'll get your Pepsi right now.
As long as I have to wait for food, I talk to my friends on mobile phone. Excuse me. We have been waiting for over half an hour for our food.
I am sorry, ma'am, let me in the kitchen. I will be right back. It will just take 5 more minutes. Ian, sorry for the delay.
Can I get some ice cubes? My drink is not chilled anymore.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, this is your food.
Thanks.
Do you need anything else?
Please pass me the salt.
Would you like any dessert?
No thanks. Bring me the bill.
Mom, this is your bill.
Okay, is the service charge included?
No, sir. Our policy has changed recently.
Okay, here you go, and keep the change. 5,000 for the bill, and rest is for you. By the way, food was delicious. Pass my compliment to the chef.
Thanks, ma'am.